So guys, this is petrol and this is water. It has to flow this here, it has to flow here, you see. And here is going to be the outlet. This is petrol, this is water. It has to go into the petrol and come out, enter inside the water, and then from the water you see the fire coming out. This is water and this is petrol and this is a tube, air tube. The air flows through the tube inside the petrol. From the petrol enter inside the water. From the water I am cooking, preparing my noodles. You can see this is how I survive it.